Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about star anise tea and all of its amazing benefits for women. It's a type of herbal tea made from the fruit of an evergreen tree that's native to China and Vietnam. The fruit has a cool, star-shaped appearance, hence the name. The tea itself has a sweet, licorice-like flavor that many people love. So, what are the benefits of drinking star anise tea for women? Well, for starters, it contains compounds that can help to increase female hormones like estrogen and progesterone. Progesterone is particularly important for regulating the menstrual cycle, supporting bone health, and promoting fertility. For breastfeeding mothers, star anise tea is a great natural remedy. It can help to increase milk production and relieve colic in babies. But, it's important to note that if you have an allergy to anise or fennel, you should avoid drinking star anise tea. Aside from hormone regulation, star anise tea also has some fantastic benefits for the skin. It's rich in antioxidants, which can help to prevent premature aging, reduce fine lines, and improve skin texture. Plus, it has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce acne and other skin inflammations. If you're interested in trying star anise tea, it's easy to make. Just boil 3 to 4 star anise pods or about a tablespoon of anise seeds in 2 cups of water for 10 to 15 minutes. You can add honey or lemon for a touch of sweetness, too. It's important to note that like any supplement or herbal remedy, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before adding star anise tea to your diet. And, be sure to stick to the recommended dose, as drinking too much of it can cause nausea or vomiting. In conclusion, star anise tea is a delicious and healthy way to support women's health. With its hormone-regulating benefits, advantages for breastfeeding mothers, and skin benefits, it's definitely worth giving a try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more.